A lot of times when you have certain piece of content and you want to have a particular size for it, maybe a fixed size. So let's over here, I come to my main content over here and I set the height to, let's say, 100 pixels. So height 100 pixels, right? Now when I do that, you see the content inside is bigger in size that it does not contain inside the 100 pixel height. You see that's why it's kind of overflowing outside of it, right? To manage this kind of scenario, there's a property in CSS called Overflow. So Overflow, and it has certain values. So the auto one is automatic, whatever it needs to do, it does, right? Which is, it kind of overflows outside of it. Now another property is hidden. So if I do hidden, it will actually cut out any content which is flowing outside. Another property which is very handy is actually called scroll. So if I put the scroll over here, you see the scroll bar appears and the user can simply scroll up and down. Now if you go back to our cheat sheet over here, we've been looking at display, float, clear, overflow property, right? So that's the overflow property that you're looking at. One more thing I want to share with you in this video is actually a property called visibility and one more property, all right? So let's say for some reason, let's say if you are an advanced web developer and for certain pieces you want to hide it from the page. So I can come over here, let's say if I want to hide the sidebar, the property is visibility. So I say visibility and I say hidden, all right? So that element is hidden. Now, if I come over here and I select, the element is there on the page, but it's not visible. All right, a sister property or a replica property just to visibility hidden is actually display. So just the way we have display block and display inline and other properties, there's another value for display which is none. So if I go and look for it, actually here it is, display none. So display none, what it does is the same thing. So if I remove visibility hidden, uncheck it, and remove this one as well, it's back, and I apply display none, it actually removes that entire content from the page. Now let's look at a difference, all right? So if I put it back, you see if I do display none, it actually totally removes it from the DOM. Actually, it's inside the DOM, but its display mode is actually almost like it's gone, right? That's why the available space is there, and that's why this particular footer moves up. But it's different when we do visibility hidden, all right? So if I do visibility hidden and remove display none, you see that the space that it needs to cover is still there. Hence, the footer is actually not moving up. You see that space over here? So if you missed it, you see the space is still there, all right? But if I do none, you see that space also is gone, right? So that's what I want to share with you in this video: overflow hidden or overflow scroll property, visibility hidden, and display none. Display none is more common in the world of web than visibility hidden, all right? That's pretty much it for this video. I'm going to talk to you in the next, so we actually use all of these tools that we have and build bigger and better and more professional looking websites. Talk to you in the next video.